My home is my largest asset in my portfolio. Are we expecting a crash? That's a question we get. Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with this month's Financial Friday. Housing market predictions can only give you an idea of what to expect. What we are seeing in our area and nationally is that it is unlikely that the housing market will crash in the next 2 years. Locally, we see a strong housing market due to the low inventory of homes for sale, the military expansion with GSBD, and people relocating to our area, combined with low interest rates. Our Chamber of Commerce did an extensive study on the shortage of rooftops in Laramie County in 2019. At that time, the number was 3,000 homes short for the need, and this hasn't gotten any better. What signs should you watch for leading up to a crash? As new buyers continue to enter the market and there aren't enough homes for sale to meet their demand, home sales and prices will continue to go up, and the market should stay healthy. On the other hand, as we learned in 2006 to 2009, if the number of homes for sale starts to rise and the number of buyers ready and willing to buy suddenly drops, home prices go down, and that's when market corrections or slowdowns may occur. We've been pretty protected in the Laramie County area during that last recession, so just stay in touch with your trusted realtor for more information.